Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on limiting the comments people can post on your TikTok videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the TikTok app and tap on the Me icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Then tap on the three dots button from the top right corner to get to the settings. In Settings, tap on Privacy. Scroll down the privacy settings and tap on Who can comment on your videos near the bottom. You now have a few different options. Choosing Everyone will allow anyone to comment on your TikTok videos. Choosing Friends will only allow the people who you are friends with to comment on your videos. Friends are people who you follow who also follow you back. Choosing No One will prevent anyone from being able to comment on your TikTok videos. If you would like to filter comments based on keywords rather than whether they are friends or not, you can do that by tapping the back arrow in the top left corner to get back to the privacy settings, and then tapping on Comment Filters below Who can comment on your videos. You now have the option to filter spam and offensive comments, and also filter out comments that have certain keywords in them. To use this feature, turn the toggle on after Filter Keywords. Tap on Add Keywords and write the keyword that you would like to cause comments to be automatically hidden. When you tap Done, that keyword or phrase will cause comments to be hidden from your videos. You can add multiple keywords here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.